In this review, we will be discussing in detail the best sublimation printers for beginners available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best sublimation printers for beginners, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Sublimation Printers for Beginners. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Epson EcoTank Photo ET8550. Cartridge-free printing for lab-quality photos, graphics, and creative projects. Extraordinary media support, including borderless photos up to 13 inches by 19 inches, accommodates cardstock, CD/DVDs, and other specialty media up to 1.3 millimeters thick, auto two-sided printing. Save up to 80% with low-cost replacement ink bottles versus zero cartridge waste. With high-yield ink bottles, each replacement ink bottle set is equivalent to about 100 individual ink cartridges. Print, scan, and more from your mobile device with the Epson Smart Panel app. Intuitive touch display and wireless connectivity, 4.3-inch color display, voice-activated printing, and more for fast, easy performance. Affordable in-house photo printing, exclusive EcoFit ink bottle design. Number 4. Workforce WF7710 Printer. Epson's all-in-one printer can print, scan, copy and fax. Precision Core technology lets you create borderless prints up to 13 inches by 19 inches in size. The 250-sheet paper tray can also hold up to 20 sheets of photo paper or 10 envelopes. Automatic two-sided print speeds of 8.7 ppm ISO in black and 6 ppm ISO in color. 4.3-inch color touchscreen. Wireless printing and networking from iPad, iPhone, Android tablets, and smartphones. Get performance beyond laser. Print shop quality. Uses up to 80% less power versus color laser printers. Versatile paper handling. Auto two-sided print, copy, scan, and fax. Easy navigation and control. Ultimate wireless printing and networking. Number 3. Epson EcoTank ET2720. Innovative cartridge-free printing. Dramatic savings on replacement ink. Save up to 90% with replacement ink bottles versus zero cartridge waste. By using an EcoTank printer, you can help reduce the amount of cartridge waste ending up in landfills. Impressive print quality. Unique micro-piezo heat-free technology produces sharp text. Built-in scanner and copier, high-resolution flatbed scanner, and a color display for easy document copying and navigation. Auto two-sided printing. 150-sheet paper tray. Voice-activated printing. Epson strongly recommends the use of genuine Epson inks for a quality printing experience. Easy wireless connection. Number 2. Epson EcoTank ET2750. Epson strongly recommends the use of genuine Epson inks for a quality printing experience. Cartridge-free printing comes with up to 2 years of ink in the box. Includes enough ink to print up to 6,500 pages black/5, 200 color. Save up to 80% on ink with low-cost replacement bottles. Easily print from iPad, iPhone, Android tablets, and smartphones, includes Wi-Fi Direct. Auto two-sided printing, save up to 50% of your paper supply. Maximum print resolution, 5760 by 1440 optimized DPI. Quality you can count on. Voice-activated printing. Number 1. Epson Expression Photo HD XP 15000. Epson printing system is designed to be used exclusively with Epson genuine cartridges. Professional Ultra HD photo quality. Individual 6-color Claria Photo HD. Professional project made easy. Ultra compact wide format A3 Plus printer. Supports auto 2-sided document printing with a 200-sheet front tray. Ultimate wireless and wired connectivity. Simple setup and navigation.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.